Welcome to Julia's Embroidery. Today I'm going to show you how to do a woven wheel stitch. For this one, usually you'll use more threads than for other stitches. For this one, I'm doing 4 strands of floss, and you could use 6 or even more. You start by creating 5 spokes to your wheel. So start on the outside and then take your needle to the middle. And you'll do that 5 times. And this determines the size of the wheel, because you're basically going to be taking your thread round and round until the woven wheel is filled up. So if you're drawing any of your own, just bear that in mind, that the size of the wheel that you start with will determine the size of the finished stitch. So there we go, we've got 5 spokes for our woven wheel. Then you're going to bring your needle up in the very center of the wheel, just next to one of the stitches, like that. And now you're going to go, sorry about the background noise, you're going to go under and over, under and over, alternating each time. And of course that will keep switching which ones go over and under as you go around, because there's 5 of them. Okay, so you're going over and under, alternating as you go. And as you can see, it's starting to grow as we're going over and under, going around. Now you do want to pull it a little bit tight, but don't yank it, because you'll make it very, very tight in the middle. So just gently pull it as you go around. And if you forget and make a mistake, don't worry, it'll still look okay if you go over and under and mix it up a little. But so we're going over this one and under the next one, and then over the next one. And you just keep going. You can see it's starting to take shape. Over and under. This is a very satisfying stitch, because I feel like the end result is so pleasing that it's really enjoyable to do. And you'll sometimes hear people call this a ranunculus stitch, because it looks like the ranunculus flower. And sometimes what I like to do with this one, if any of you have tried my spring bouquet, is to add a little French knot into the center of them. So I think that really adds a little something. It breaks up the color and just really makes it look nice. So just keep going around. As I said, it's going to fill up the circle as you go. And it does get a little bit harder nearer the edge that you get on the wheels to be able to see the little spokes. So you'll just have to keep an eye out for that. They start to get hidden underneath the flower itself. So over and under, and you just keep going like that until you reach the edge. So if you do run out of thread during a woven wheel, just rethread your needle and come back up again like you did to start next to one of the spokes, and then just continue going over and under. To finish the stitch, just take your needle back underneath, pull it through, and then finish off the stitch on the back.